Hi, are you a musician who is tired of working with fake music distributors? Who is tired of not earning out of your music? Who is tired of people that you give your music to distribute and show no results? Please, this is for you. Stay around, watch this video, and pick and get a leaf on how to earn from your music and on how to benefit from your music with giving it to the best and the dope music distribution company all across the world. In a few weeks, in a few days, you get your music to Spotify, you get your music to Tidal, you get your music to any distribution, to any streaming platform all across the world. So this is for you, and this is for you to start benefiting from your music basically. Remember, I'm sharing about Distrokid, and Distrokid to me is the best music distributing platform that you must know. Okay, if at all you are basically willing and ready to earn from your music and to earn from your creativity. Okay, so how do you join Distrokid? You can join Distrokid through my link that I'm basically going to be providing below this video, and you'll happen to have the prices reduced because it is like selling its packages in three forms. That is, let me show you it here. That is the musician plan package. Let me give it to you here. No. Okay. Let me get it here. So with the Distrokid, you you can join via the musician plan. You can join first of all, you can join via the musician plan. You can join via the musician plus plan, and you can also join via the ultimate plan. Okay? Then what is under each plan, and why should you go for one plan over the other? These three plans each has everything covered differently. With the musician plan, you can upload unlimited songs, and that applies to every plan because this is the starter plan. Okay, where you can upload unlimited songs, you can upload unlimited lyrics to your songs. You can also get a check mark that is basically verified on Spotify, and you can also collect earnings from royalty splits, whereby if at all, let me say, your song is streamed on Spotify, you earn. If at all your song is streamed on YouTube, that is premium, by people who already offer YouTube with some cash, you also earn. So basically, this would help you create more music because you know that you are basically going to be earning from your talent. Then another thing I would say about it is, don't do one song and sit back, because if you happen to subscribe for this plan, this single artist plan, but remember here you're having unlimited uploads, it means that you should be uploading a lot of songs via this platform. Okay, because with one song, unless you are basically going to be putting a large budget in marketing, a large packet, um a large income in marketing, to say that it is everywhere being streamed on different platforms, it is counting in numbers of streams. But if at all you don't have that budget, then invest more in production, whereby you produce quality, you produce quantity, to see that you earn, or you start earning from it within a shorter period of what? Of time. Then collect your earnings from royalty splits. Then we've looked at that. Then that one artist plan, at least each artist would go for this one, because at least you have unlimited uploads throughout there, and this amount is just paid at that same exact time you paid. Let me say if I happen to pay for this package on basically on December 19th, it means that next year at this same date I'll be paying for my second year. Okay, then we go to the musician plus package and the ultimate plan package. These are basically having the same package contents, but what makes them different is here. This one, the musician plus, only allows 2 artists. Then the ultimate musician, the ultimate plan, this one accepts artists from 5 to 100, but they just differ in the number of artist numbers, but the contents are the same. Everything in the musician plan is here. So this is our musician plan. So everything here in this musician plan, this one has it, and this one also does what? Has it. Sensitive lyrics in Instagram. The musician plan does not have that. Daily streaming stats. The musician plan does not have that. But the ultimate plan has both of them. Then customizable label names. The musician plan does not have that. Then when we go back to the customizable label names, yes, it is only this side that is having them. What does customizable label names mean? So if we happen to work on a project whereby maybe we work with another label apart from ours, it means that for that project, on uploading it in the musician plus plan and the ultimate musician plan, we are basically going to be giving and listing the name of that label without refusal of it being listed in our distribution company or in our upload, the album we are basically uploading. Then the customizable release dates. Are you seeing this? The customizable release dates. I'm trying to explain it to you so that you understand. You get to know which package should I go for and why should I go for that package. Okay? The customizable release date. And this side also has the customizable release date. This means that if at all I happen to upload my song, today is 19th December 2022. So if I happen to upload my song on that date, okay, 19th December 2022, if I upload my song on this date and I don't want it to be released on that date, I want it on a future date, so it means that I can even put it on December next year. Are you getting it? But that is like what is referred as the customizable release date. I give a specific date of myself, of my desire for that track to be available for each or anyone. Okay, then when we happen to go to the customizable pre-order dates, this is like I've given you an example. Today is 19th of December 2022. So if I happen to upload a song, then I give it a customizable or release date, maybe a 2nd of February. Okay, but I may say that before that February on 2nd, there are those people that may need this song before that date as the official date. So I make a pre-order date maybe on January 28th. Beginning from January 28th, it will be available for those who would want it before the official date. Then, sorry about the cough. I'm a little bit having some cough. Then we look at the customizable iTunes pricing. Here we are dealing with prices. So you set your own what prices on iTunes, on iTunes. Then customizable ISPR codes. These are like codes that basically make barcodes that basically make your album identifiable or easy to identify from the other albums. So if at all you don't want your album to be customized, so you ignore that and have your and you get to have your album your album having just like the normal barcodes that basically make it different. But if you want to make it customizable, maybe you can decide to begin with your artist name, then you add on some codes. That is basically customizable codes. Then it is basically a plan that goes for only 2 artists. So if at all you happen to exceed 2 artists, it goes for a plan that is basically the ultimate artist plan, beginning from 5 artists and above. Okay, that is it basically. Then let me just take you around and you see why I call Distrokid to be the best distribution company. I saying all this, you can communicate within Distrokid with fellow members, with collaborators. You can change your email, password, social media login, contact information. You have the personal profile. You can set your payout method. It can be by credit card, I mean by bank, okay, or PayPal, by wire transfer. And so far for me I've been withdrawing money from Distrokid using PayPal. I happen to make one, so that is good, and it can cover also licenses for basically cover songs. You don't need to go out of Distrokid to look for the artist. I want to take or to make cover of your song. You leave that to Distrokid and you do the creative part. Okay. Then besides that, we have this whereby Distrokid distributes audio, music. Okay. Then it has brought in another thing whereby it is now distributing videos too, to platforms or streaming platforms that are basically for videos, and the social phone whereby you can get a phone number whereby you can chat with your fan base, your people that are basically interested into your works, basically interested in what you do. And remember, you can get access to uh, Distrokid joining through my link that I've shared in the description below this video. Just click on this on just slope down below this video, and then you go in the description part and look for that link. I'm going to be putting on Distrokid referral. Okay, then when you click on it, you'll be finding me a little bit, but it does not increase the money that you have to pay, but it just reduces the money you have to do what to pay if at all you pass through that link of mine. Okay, besides that, there are a lot of stuff that I will be showing you about Distrokid, on how to use it, on how to utilize the different tools in it. So you may say that this guy is just talking, but without, I've earned money from Distrokid, and I'll be showing you some of it. I think this, that is the money. Let me even refresh it, because you may say that it is an image. So it isn't an image, this is real. So if I told you are out there and you're tired of giving your music to people that do not bring you any profits, marketing on TV stations that are basically not generating, so consider being part of Distrokid and signing up for Distrokid. You will not regret. You'll collect your royalties. You'll join some other mechanical royalty companies that will fetch all your royalties back to you. So consider being part of my YouTube channel, whereby we shall be sharing a lot of stuff about music, about filming, about anything to do with the entertainment world, and to see that we grow, each teach one, and we grow into better people, into wonderful people that are basically cool to move on and grow our nations. I love you. Take care. Thank you.